Superheroes aren't just in comic books. The animal kingdom is filled with creatures whose real-life abilities are stranger and more powerful than fiction. From indestructible survivors to living weapons, these are the top 10 animals with the most unexpected superpowers. Number 10. The Bombardier beetle. This insect is a master of chemical warfare. When threatened, it unleashes a boiling hot chemical spray from its abdomen. Inside its body, two chemicals mix to create a violent reaction, heating the spray to 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It fires this noxious jet in rapid pulses, a biological machine gun that deters almost any attacker. At number 9, the ultimate healer, the Axolotl. This salamander doesn't just heal, it fully regenerates. It can regrow entire limbs, its spinal cord, and even parts of its heart and brain, all without any scarring. The secret is its ability to revert adult cells back to a stem cell-like state, essentially reactivating the original genetic program it used to build the limb in the first place. Number 8 is the master of deception, the mimic octopus. It doesn't just camouflage, it actively impersonates other animals. To scare off a predator, it can instantly change its shape, color, and movement to look like a venomous lionfish or a toxic sea snake. It can impersonate over 15 different species, and it seems to intelligently choose the best disguise for the situation, making it the ocean's greatest con artist. At number 7, the Wolverine of the amphibian world. When the hairy frog is threatened, it does something brutal. It purposefully breaks its own toe bones, forcing the sharp ends to puncture through its skin, creating a set of gruesome, retractable bone claws to slash at attackers. Thanks to its regenerative abilities, it can heal and use this shocking defense again and again. Number 6 has a defense straight out of a horror movie. When the horned lizard is cornered by a coyote like a hamster, it deploys its final bizarre weapon. It shoots a targeted stream of blood from its eyes, up to 5 feet away. The blood is laced with foul-tasting chemicals from its diet of venomous ants, making it a disgusting, chemically charged deterrent. Coming in at number 5, the living power plant. The electric eel can generate a massive electric shock from thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes, which act like tiny batteries stacked together. One species can unleash up to 860 volts, the strongest bioelectric discharge of any animal, instantly stunning its prey. Number 4 proves that big power comes in small packages. The pistol shrimp snaps its claws so fast it creates a bubble in the water. But the real weapon is the bubble's collapse. The implosion creates a shockwave that stuns prey and a sound louder than a gunshot. For a split second, it also generates a flash of light with temperatures reaching over 4,700 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. At number 3, a creature that has achieved the dream of eternal life. When the immortal jellyfish gets old or injured, it doesn't die, it reverses its own life cycle, transforming from an adult back into its juvenile polyp form. Through a process called transdifferentiation, it resets its biological clock, allowing it to live, theoretically, forever. Our runner-up is the toughest animal on Earth. The tardigrade or water bear can survive almost anything. By entering a state of suspended animation, it can withstand extreme temperatures, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum and radiation of outer space. A unique protein called DSUP forms a protective shield around its DNA, making it nearly indestructible. And the number 1 animal with an unexpected superpower is the Mantis Shrimp. It wields the fastest, most powerful punch in nature. Its club-like arms accelerate with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, hitting its prey with over 1,500 newtons of force. The strike is so fast it boils the water, creating a secondary shockwave from a collapsing bubble. But its true superpower is that its club doesn't shatter. It's made of a natural composite armor with a spiral structure that dissipates energy, inspiring next-generation body armor for humans. An unstoppable force and an unbreakable object, all in one animal. From end chemical explosions to biological immortality, nature has already created the most incredible superheroes. These animals show us that the real world is often far more amazing than anything we can imagine. Which superpower amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments.